Welcome to Mount Erciyes, one of Turkey's most beautiful and iconic mountain ranges. Located in the central Anatolian region, Mount Erciyes is the highest mountain in central Anatolia, standing tall at an elevation of 3,916 meters. With its long and wide tracks, beautiful views, and great facilities, Mount Erciyes is a must-visit destination for skiing lovers and adventure seekers.
Hello, great. It's sunny weather, sunny winter day, so it's great.
We look where can we see the snow, where can we ride a little. And we find this place, it's called the best Turkey, one of the best or even the best place for snowboarding.
It's very good for beginners, for having relaxed time.
If you're a beginner, it's the best.
Yeah, I like the slopes. It's wide and so long and go down and go down.
Like our guests have said, if you are a fan of skiing and snowboarding, then Mount Erciyes is a place for you. The ski center features a total of 34 ski runs with a variety of slopes to suit all levels of ability, from beginners to experts. The longest run is 7.5 kilometers. There are also chairlifts, gondola lifts, and surface lifts to transport skiers and snowboarders up the mountain.
I live in Ankara right now, and we have a lot of international friends that come to Erciyes to ski every winter. And we've heard lots of good things, so we thought we'd try it out. I really like it. I feel like there's enough lifts for me, enough paths for me, so I really enjoy it. I like the gondola, and that the easiest hill is the biggest one because that's my level. That's what I can do.
We are big skiers, so we found out, we didn't know skiing was available in Turkey, so we found Erciyes through online. Amazing weather and good snow, not that many people, so it's a really good place.
From rental shops and ski schools to restaurants and cafes, you'll find everything you need to make the most of your time on Mount Erciyes with your family.
Absolutely. My kids range from age 8 to 15, and they're all skiing and they all love it. I would say that it's good for all ski levels and family friendly, and the restaurant is really great because if you need to come and somebody can't ski, then they consider the restaurant and it's perfect.
Mount Erciyes is located in a unique location very close to Cappadocia. So, after you enjoy a morning on a hot air balloon, you can just come to Erciyes for a skiing experience.
About 5 years ago, we were in Cappadocia and Germia and saw a mountain on the horizon. And we decided to go there someday and go down the slopes of this mountain.
I'm living now in Cappadocia. We come here in car. Yes, very nice.
We actually stay in Fethiye, and it was a spontaneous decision to go snowboarding. And we decided in a day, took a ticket for a bus, which was rather comfortable, came from Fethiye here. And it's the second day we enjoy our snowboarding.
After a day of skiing, you can also enjoy a day of sightseeing around the beautiful historical monuments of Kayseri.
I stayed in Kayseri, so I have just 25 minutes to this place. So it's very convenient to live there, and also you can look for some museum if you want about Seljuk Empire, Ottoman Empire, and Byzantine Empire.
Do you recommend Mount Erciyes to others?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Definitely.
absolutely. We already recommend this place to our friends.
Fantastic place. I have already recommended Erciyes for my friends.
Sunshine, hot wine. Okay.
It's our second day and it's a great place. A lot of people, everybody is laughing.
So, pack your bags and get ready to experience the beauty and excitement of this breathtaking mountain range.
This is Mount Erciyes.
This is Mount This is Mount Erciyes.
This is Mount Erciyes.